Hello everyone, I hope you have a good time. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this picture with Adobe Photoshop. I make it the picture with converting this picture and the flight layer and the cyan picture. Okay, so you can get the double picture from Google Chrome. Just you can search with under cyan and out cyan for getting the cyan and the water. Okay, so you can search the flight with your local language. So now let's go starting, and the first time going to the Photoshop, going to the open, so getting the water picture and turning in the my computer or PC or file, so moving the picture, the flight picture in here and dropping in the space. So now going to the toolbar and getting curvature pen tool and zooming. So let's making a double border. We need to making a out border on the first time, so and the next time we need to making under border. Okay, just stay with me. You can just make a border like this, okay, and you can edit the line of the border. Okay, so I turn when I completing the out border. So when we turn to the first started point, just clicking, and you can see the border is make it, so you can edit the line of the border. So now we need to making a under border for here, because if when I cutting the subject, okay, the background is maybe coming with the subject. So because this we need to making a new under border for cutting together. Okay, so now let's go starting making a border like this. Click, you can see the out border is just cancel it for a few time when you finishing the under border. Okay, so now right click here and under the border and go to make selection and click OK, and here just click anywhere at the line of the out border. So right click here and under the off out border and go click make selection and OK. So now on your keyboard press and hold the Ctrl and J, so you can see make it a layer. So go moving the layer to here and drop it. Let's dropping in here. So go to the moving selection or moving tool and resize the picture. So press and hold the Ctrl and with your mouse you can resize a free sizing. So get the flight to out of the water. So now you can go in here and get the tool. The name of the tool is Recognizer. I don't know, I can't I'm not good for writing, for reading English, forgive me. So you can see this tool, okay, and make selection in here. So now right click in here and go to layer via cut, and here you can see make it a layer number 2, and here you can see the name of the normal, this filter. Just click and go to the hard light or soft light or vivid light. I just favorited a vivid light, but you can using any filter just for showing us underwater the leg of the flight. So this video is come to end, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like and share for another people for learning it. So subscribe to see more video and next time. So thank you for watching. Goodbye, see you next time.